I'm at the hospital with my mom. I accompanied her. She has an appointment and we've been here for over an hour now. I'm so exhausted because I didn't sleep last night. I think that this is the only way you're gonna open up to me. Don't talk too much to me. Cause this is how this goes. I know it. Take one drink to time. Everything just feels right. And if it ain't right, it's alright, alright tonight. I got some leisure, it's your thing. You know, in the morning. My body's calling you. You just said that so leave the room. Like you always do. I never needed you. I just want you. Wanted you to love me, but trust me. But nothing about me, just put your heart in my hands, yeah. Let me make all the plans, make all the plans. Let me make all the plans tonight. So yeah. Guess it's me that you want, me that you want. Guess me that you want tonight. Let me just be open tonight. I know tomorrow we won't. Hope you remember last time September. Say you want closest, but right now you won't quit. For me and all of them, yet you wanna be in all of them. Don't remember that. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, hi, I'm Shirley. I don't know if I should continue that intro because I'm not at uni. So welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday the 20th of June. I wasn't able to post a vlog the past week, like I did say, because I was sleeping literally the whole week. Guys, when I tell you I'm taking this research thing way too serious, I'm so at peace. Like the fact that I don't have to stress about a class tomorrow. I don't have to stress about a group assignment. I don't have to stress about an upcoming test or whatsoever. That is peace, and I would trade anything for this kind of life. But it's not a choice. You have to go to school. Very soon I'm going back to school because the unforeseen happened. So I have to go back to school earlier to fix that unforeseen. If you know, you know. Guys, I cried about it, but I'm okay now. Like, it happens, apparently. I never thought it would happen to me, but it happened.
Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe you, better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you. It's only me, only yo. Abadala bafuna umsini majority.
Party don't start till I walk in.
My first time doing this kind of hairstyle, I was literally practicing on her, and it didn't turn out as bad as I thought it would.
I'm kind of glad you didn't pick up. I kind of just called to hear your voice, so your voice recording was enough. I should hang up. What am I doing? I feel kind of dumb, but I miss you. I've been thinking about you, and I've been thinking about our love and how much you touch. I miss being around you, hearing your laugh and holding your hand. I think of you every day. I hope and I wish that you're doing okay. I want to go back to the old days because I miss you. And I just thought of you, so I thought I'd call you to tell you that you crossed my mind, and I took that as a sign that I should call and say hi. I hope you don't think I lost my mind. I hope.
Morning guys, today is Saturday and another day in the vlog. So I did my hair yesterday. It's my first time doing this kind of hairstyle and I love it. It's so tea, sana. It's giving. Yeah guys, I hope you do enjoy this video and please make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't.
Paradise, this must be when heaven's
graduation slash birthday party celebration. And yeah, I'm gonna vlog her. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Well, I changed. I was wearing a dress, but I changed for now because it's so cool. But let me show you guys what I'm wearing in the meantime.
Hello guys.
I know get time, I did that back down. That cover my face, calling me that back down. Biggie man, we don't be where I back down. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the bend, the cash, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the bend, the cash, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take me to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the gas.
Guys, the event is about to start right now, and my parents have just been told literally an hour ago that I'm doing the opening prayer. Not a big deal, but you know, a little brief would have been better, but it's okay. Yeah?
As long as you love him, you've been so good to me. Give you anything. You've been so good to me. Your love inside me. Oh, baby, you're my constellation. Oh, baby, there's no hesitation. Oh, baby,
Hi guys.
you're my constellation.
Hi.
Oh, baby, there's no hesitation.
Hi guys, welcome to Shongzang's vlog. Thank you for 500 subscribers. Thank you for 500 subscribers.